Welcome to the Vision Quest video series, a step-by-step guide to holistic health. Today's program will discuss Reiki.
Well, my name is Shelley Lesson Stockwell, and I'm a hypnotherapist, transpersonal hypnotherapist, which means that I'm very interested in all states of consciousness, the subconscious and the conscious and the superconscious, the part of us that knows expanded things like past lives and future lives, and is very intuitive, highly creative. So I'm interested in that as a hypnotist, and I'm also a trance channel, which means that I put myself into an altered state and my guides speak through me.
In this program, we're going to explore the ancient art of Reiki, how it was rediscovered, and how it is used now as a tool for hands-on healing and long-distance healing. We'll explore the difference between Reiki 1 and Reiki 2, and we'll hear from some people who have actually had the Reiki experience as they tell us what that was like for them.
Many healing methods have existed which were formulated on the basis of transferring a universal, all-powerful life energy through the hands. Even thousands of years ago, Tibetans already possessed a deep understanding of this healing energy. This knowledge, kept guarded and preserved for thousands of years, was until recently only available to a select group, which may have included priests or spiritual leaders.
Reiki is a universal energy. It's all around us. It's around you, it's around everyone who's been here today, it's around plants, it's around animals. It's that sea of vastness, of nothingness, in which we live. And with Reiki, it can be channeled to individuals. Reiki is something specific, as you find out when you do the Reiki. It's not like any other healing method at all. People are fine-tuned so that the energy will come through them and will be accessible through the hands. Now, in so doing, they can help themselves and they can help the other people. Now that is Reiki 1, and it's direct contact. Reiki 2, people are once again fine-tuned, and the power enables them to then send